Today I'm going to show you how to use a non-electric manual breast pump step by step. This pump is simple, quiet, and perfect for new moms who want an easy and natural option. This is a fully manual breast pump, which means there are no wires, no cables, and no tubes. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and very beginner-friendly. You can use it anytime, anywhere without electricity. To use the pump, simply hold it comfortably in your hand. Gently press the handle to create suction. There's no need to rush. Slow and steady pumping works best and feels more comfortable. Here, you can see the breast pump and the milk collection bottle separately. The bottle easily attaches to the pump and stays secure during use. After pumping, you can safely store or feed using the same bottle. Always make sure the pump is clean before and after use. Relax, sit comfortably, and take your time. If you feel any discomfort, stop and adjust your position. This non-electric breast pump is a great choice for busy moms who want simplicity and comfort. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with other moms. See you in the next video. Take care.